Another day with my dad. The first stop is Over Easy for breakfast. When I say bye and like try to turn it off, you don't just, as soon as I say bye, you don't just keep recording. You shut it off as soon as I finish saying bye.
I just want to let you know I'm not a good editor, man. I'm just trying to help you. You're yelling at me. You're yelling at me. You're yelling at me like you paid. You're yelling at me like.
Do the videos then, huh?
Are you paying me to be your editor?
I will start when I get money.
What happened?
How much money is this? Like 400?
I don't know. It's your Christmas money.
Ma's ranch, because usually never gives us like $450.
Who gave you the money?
Mom.
Grandma?
Yeah.
All right.
Why is it so messy?
It's messy. I don't know.